Hey, you awesome, beautiful person. Can I pray for you? You might not believe it, you might not believe in prayer, whatever, but I just want to pray for you. Is that okay? Can only do good, I want to encourage you, I want to declare over you good things coming this week. I want to declare good health, good wealth, good success to the full till it overflows. I want to declare, man, God is for you, who can be against. I just want to declare, whatever you're going through it, you're not going to stay. I declare that there's a breakthrough for you, that because you're walking in it, that is right there for you to touch, right there for you to see. And I declare that that your eyes will open and you will see there is light and love right in front of you. And there's a breakthrough right in front of you, that you know what to do, when to do, and how to do it. I declare over you that the Father loves you more than anything. I declare that you have encounters of true joy, a true, full, joyful life to the full till it overflows. I declare it over you. I declare that today. I declare that you have good health, good wealth, good success to the full till it overflows in Jesus' name. I declare it over you. Man, bless you, love you. Again, I don't care if you believe or not believe it, or you're an atheist or a Muslim, or you are whatever religion, or agnostic, or not sure where you're at, or I don't care, whatever you are at the moment. I just want to declare good things over you. Awesome good things. Bless you to the full till it overflows in Jesus' name. Love you, man. Bye-bye.